Hello everyone, meet again with the News Military Foundation. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
China's security challenges *. China, as one of the largest developing countries, faces increasing security challenges due to global political and economic changes. To address this challenge, China has undertaken a major military modernization program aimed at defending its homeland and national interests. Development of the J-10C Fighter Aircraft *. China has developed its aviation industry rapidly since successfully developing the J-10 multirole fighter jet in 1999. The J-10C is the latest model and represents a significant advancement in the aviation field, in terms of combat capability, electronic warfare capability, and overall performance. International concerns *. The international community, particularly the U.S. media, has expressed concern about the mass production of the J-10C fighter in China. Some argue that China may be preparing for a major war, which has sparked debate and discussion. J-10C technical advances *. The J-10C boasts advanced features, including excellent air combat capabilities, advanced radar systems, high maneuverability, and powerful weapons carrying capabilities. This technical advancement made it popular both domestically and internationally. Mass production reasons *. The text argues that China's mass production of the J-10C should not be interpreted simply as preparation for war. On the contrary, it serves multiple purposes, such as enhancing national defense, ensuring regional security, and contributing to international stability. Global security environment *. The unpredictable global security environment requires a strong military capability. The J-10C is seen as an important component of China's military might, contributing to regional peace, national sovereignty, and international order. Technological advancement *. China's achievements in military technology, including aircraft, missile, and radar manufacturing, reflect its ability for innovation and technological progress. These advances contributed to an increase in China's overall military power. Export and regional concerns *. China's mass production of the J-10C also has export potential, as China is one of the world's largest arms markets. However, several countries expressed concern that this expansion of military capabilities could impact regional stability and balance. Contributing to world peace *. The text concludes by emphasizing that China's mass production of the J-10C must be seen in the context of its commitment to world peace and regional stability. This underscores the importance of using military force responsibly. Overall, the text presents a perspective that seeks to rationalize China's actions in developing and mass-producing the J-10C fighter jet, emphasizing that the jet has many purposes besides preparing for war. This report sheds light on the complex interplay between security, technological advances, and global politics.